Hi, my name is Vicky. I'm from SLNP Pit Stop, Kalyan Nagar branch. We have this store from past 15 years. We deal with car radios like Pioneer and car accessories, as well as seat covers we do. Plus, we have tinkering, painting, mechanical work, as well as alloys and tires also we deal here. To add to it, this is a one-stop solution for all your car accessories.
Hi, my name is Kaif Khan and I drive Toyota Hyryder. I drive my car mostly from home to work. I wanted a HD camera for my car. I browsed a lot across many websites. I wanted a product which has ADAS enabled and collision alert. So I visited SLNP Pit Stop, which is in Kalyan Nagar.
Customer had come for a requirement of a dash cam. He wanted some safety features like even when the car is parked, he wanted the recording to happen continuously. So we have suggested this Pioneer VREC-H320SC, which will give him 24/7 recording. It has got a G-Shock sensor also, which will automatically activate as soon as there is a movement in front of the car. A lane discipline, which will show you in case if you're crossing the lane, it will give you an alert.
Mr. Vicky, he added another kit which has a recording continuous. This camera serves all my purposes. ADAS enabled, HD resolution, wide range qualities. It also records the front and back.
Pioneer has launched a new app from their own that is called a Zen View. It is actually helpful for many of the customers. Off late, if you see, there are many road rages which are happening in the road. You can just stop your car in front of the police station and show them the videos, what happened exactly. Owner of the car also is safe. Once I showed him this product, after installation, I gave him a demo of that. He is really happy about the product.
This is really value for money. I'm really happy to have this camera.
It is made by only Pioneer itself.